Yo guys, welcome to another video from LifeXL. So today we're going to be talking about cars. More specifically, we're talking about alloy and alloy refurbishment. So I've actually got an appointment right now with Alloy Refurbz. They're just downstairs getting the stuff ready to get on the car, and it's going to be amazing. So I'm going to take you on this journey with me, so stay tuned. I know you guys will like this one. I'm super excited. I told myself I wouldn't do any mods to my car, but you know how it is, guys and their cars. Anyway, stay tuned. So yeah, I think they've done majority of the first stage of the refurb. They've got rid of most of the curb markings, and I think they just sanded it, made it nice and smooth, and I think they're prepping now for paint. So I'm going to show you that as well.
We're ready for spraying. If you want to come in with me, we'll get a mask for you and then we'll get spraying.
I think this might be alright.
So we've done the first two wheels, right?
Yeah, I'm just gonna do those, finish off that other one, and then once they're done, then we'll lacquer them. I'll bring you in for that. That bit's quite nice because that's where it gets the shine. And then from there, we'll bake them off and they're ready to go. Yeah?
Cool.
Okay, cool. I'll get these two done, and then once the lacquer's ready,
Yep.
then I'll call you back.
Cool.
And we'll get the lacquer on there.
So what's that?
This is the clear coat, so this is what's gonna give the actual wheels the shine. So as you can see, they've got this kind of matte finish to them. That's just the base coat, so that's the black. And then as soon as we add the clear coat, it's gonna have a shine, but it's also gonna protect it. And then this is the stuff that we've got to bake underneath the infrared lamps, which we'll show you in a bit as well.
Okay, with the clear coat. This is the most tricky part, okay? Especially because this is where most people mess up on. Clear coat, unlike paint, you can't mess about with too much. look like the wheels.
So the car's done now.
All good. Looking absolutely brand spanking new. I think, especially with the gloss black wheels. A few little things he's still got planned to do before his wedding. To see if the missus lets him do that. But at the moment, as you can see, it looks like a really different car. Really different car.
Thanks, man.
No problem. Thanks so much.
Today is the day after the alloys were sprayed, and I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. It looks absolutely insane. This thing is now looking so beastly, it's unbelievable. So I just want to give a massive shout out to Alloy Refurbz. You guys did a smashing job. Honestly, I'm going to leave the details in the link in the description below. Guys, go follow their Instagram page, check it out. If you need any work done from them, curb damage or just to paint, they're definitely the guys. They come over to you, they're so professional, they know exactly what they're doing. So yeah, massive thumbs up, 5 out of 5 stars. Have a look at the car in all its glory. Hope you guys enjoyed it. So guys, I hope you liked this video. It was all about cars and wheels today. If you did like the video, hit the thumbs up so I know that you liked it. If you want to ask me some questions about how all of this happened, please leave some comments down below. If you want to see more from me, if you want to see more from LifeXL, hit the subscribe button. You know what to do, guys. Come on. It's a bit hard to get in this car, but you know what it is? It's now sick. So